All right, for your what does it cost to eat assignment, I explained a little bit of it on Tuesday, but if you need a quick reminder on how to complete this, here's just a short instructional video. I put a copy of it on my website as well in case you lose your printed copy, but I do ask you to print that out for Monday. So just to take you through a couple things here on the what does it cost to eat assignment. All right, so up on the top as a reminder, it says below is a list of common purchases individuals make at a grocery store. Using your best guess, so I ask you not to look at, for ads online or anything like that. And you get points on completing it, so you don't get points necessarily on accuracy. To estimate the cost of the items. So what you're going to do here first is you are going to estimate the cost of every single one of these items. So this first column here should be full before Monday. So you're going to take a guess at what the cost of a generic loaf of bread is. If you never eat a generic loaf of bread, then pick a brand that you are familiar with or one that your family consumes and do the estimated cost for that. Same, a gallon of milk, dozen eggs, pound of hamburger, bananas, 12-pack beverage of your choice, whether it's pop or, let's say you don't drink pop, it's juice, it could be a case of water. You can write that in there if there's something different. Large bag of your choice of chips. If you don't eat pizza, choose another item in there or take a guess. So once you have done that, the estimated cost, estimate how many times per month. And this is just a reminder here up on top of per month of how often you are going to make that purchase. So maybe it's one loaf of bread, maybe it's 2 gallons of milk. You make that choice. So the only things you're completing ahead of time is the estimated cost column and the estimated usage column. When you get down to the bottom here, you're going to add 6 different foods that are not listed up on top. So I put a couple examples, whether it's cereal or yogurt, candy. People have used peanut butter. It might be other types of things that you probably know obviously better than I would. So list those items in here. Do take an estimate of what the size is. Just based on when you go to the store, you know what you're guessing estimated cost versus actual cost. And so I just don't want you to think if a big box of cereal is, $6, and then you go to the store and then you base it off a small box. All right, so in this one here on the bottom, you're going to create an item list for each of these 6, what you think the cost is, and then again, go with the estimated usage. How often do you need to buy this per month? On the next page, you're going to do the same thing. I put a list here. I don't put any brands down. That's up for you to decide on what you think you'll make a purchase of, the estimated cost for those purchases. For some of these, you see the 26 to 32 ounce bottle. These are about averages. The toilet paper, just either choose a 4 or an 8-pack. If you're a person that says, I never buy 4 8-packs, it's got to be 12-pack or 24, put 24-pack. 50-ounce laundry detergent is about right. Kleenex box, shampoo bottle. Most of these otherwise are pretty decent sizes. Go with estimated cost, and then go with the estimated usage yes again. So most of these you're probably only going to maybe buy once a month. Some might be twice. If you don't plan on making any of these purchases, all right, still put down that you would need to buy one. Most of these things you will need. Even going back here, even if you don't think you're going to buy it, all right, either change the item to something you would buy, or just kind of throw me a bone here and just say you're going to buy it at least once a month. All right, so this is all before Monday. What is the total estimated cost without the usage? So basically, you're going to add up the second column all the way through. So if you just bought one of each of these items, how much will it actually cost you? So the total actual cost you'll save till after Monday. You'll save that one as well, and you'll save this. Okay? So your goal before Monday, and you might get this done before Friday even, is figuring out what the total estimated cost and the usage is for these items that we are going to attempt to buy on Monday. So save this for Monday. You'll be ready to go. And then Monday, you are going to do the actual cost when you go to Walmart. And then you will do the multiplication. So it'll take a little bit of work after school, but you might be back in time to get a little bit of that work done on your own.